Hello, welcome back to the Saurabh Designs YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial episode number 6, I am going to show you how to create sketch glow effect in Photoshop step by step. Here I have Batman sketch. I decided to glow the eyes and the horns of Batman mask. Now start the process. First go to levels to darken the image. Now add the solid color adjustment layer. Select the color of your choice. I have chosen light blue because personally it's my favorite color. Now press Ctrl+I to invert it. Now select hard brush and paint over here. Now again add solid color adjustment layer. Select color. Go to blending options and adjust the underlying layer. Change the blend mode to linear dodge. Press Ctrl+I to invert it. Now paint over here to create glow. In this process, how you paint the light is most important thing. You need to observe how light reflects on the various objects which are in various positions. You need to observe it in real life, so go out of home and watch out your surroundings. Well, this is the final result. I hope you like this episode number 6. Please do like, comment and also subscribe to channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about the new content. Bye bye for now. I will meet you in the next video.